sun's going down. If I don't get this intro done pretty soon, I'm not going to be able to do it. 3, 2, 1. From the Grated Communications broadcast empire, the Summer of Bison, all summer, and Keith Bettag's never-ending popper challenge. Welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. Today, you guessed it, we're going to do the popper challenge again. This thing's been going on for years. I think I've done 2 or 3 videos already. It's time for another one. We're going to do bison sausage links and other good stuff inside jalapeno peppers. It's going to be good. So without any further subjecting, delaying ado, I think we should get started. Everything begins with a single flame. I have the slow and sear, and usually on the left side of the grill today. Also throwing in the dripping griddle pan from Adrenaline Barbecue Company. Grill grate. Lid. Alright, we're going to let those coals, those residual coals, also warm up. And in an Ace Hardware store about a month ago, I actually heard a guy telling his son, never reuse your charcoal. It's contaminated. What? Anyway, let's go. Ignored, did you? Of course not. It's bison, man. Alright, bison breakfast sausages. And I really wish that I had a few more jalapenos. But this idea came to me in a dream. It came to me in a hurry. And 5 was all we had on hand. So I'm guessing if I can get the temperature down just a little bit more, these things are going to take about an hour to cook, maybe less, probably a whole lot less. So And as the dark clouds begin to gather, they are calling for rain tonight. I thought it was going to be later tonight. It looks like it might be within an hour. Hopefully these will be done by then. In the meantime, I've got a couple of shout outs I really wanted to get to last time, but I simply forgot. First one is for a channel, kind of a newer channel, Cooking with James. I'm sure a lot of you know about this guy. If you don't, go over and check him out. Matter of fact, I like his channel so much that I personally want to see him reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this summer. By the time this Bison, all summer thing ends, I want to see James with 1,000 subscribers. You can do it. We can do it. So go over and subscribe and do it. All right. Another shout out is to our good friend David, Mr. David, for sending us this. This is Fat Bastard Hogwash barbecue sauce. I'm going to be using some of this on the poppers in a little bit. I'm also going to candy up the bacon. It's going to be good. I've never tried this. I've been looking forward to it for a month, over a month. That's how long we've had it. So thanks, David. Also, MJ Trainer on Facebook. I know I owe you a shout out. I promised one about a month ago. Here it is. Like I mentioned, it's getting dark out here. Sun doesn't go down for about 90 more minutes, so you know it's storm darkness. So I guess we'll just let the chips fall where they may. I can't wait. I'm starving. It's going to be good. All right, about 30 to 35 minutes has passed. Oh, look at that. It is at this point in our Pix mission that I want to start to candy the bacon a little bit. Some brown sugar. You didn't think I was going to forget that, did you? Check on the rest of our sausages here. They're warming up quite nicely. I'm going to move them off a little bit. Excuse me, our Bison breakfast sausages, the extras. And I'm kind of compelled to eat one of these right now. They are pre-cooked, by the way, so just want to move them off a little bit. Keep them from getting too overdone. Man, the slowness here is amazing. Even without water, I've got two distinct zones. And I am sure that probably a good 200 degrees between the two. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try one. And we'll let that go for a little while. And I think I'm gonna start saucing them up with the hogwash. At least one or two of them. If I like it, going to be more. In the meantime, cheers. Oh my God. Oh, this rocks. All right, in about 50 minutes, 50 minutes into this, I think we're in the home stretch. And I just popped the top from this hogwash barbecue sauce, and this is a family show, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy. We're just going to lay a little bit on in a professional manner. Shut up, air conditioner. No, don't shut up. It's hot out here. Don't want it to be hot in there. Oh no, he's knocking off his sugar. Can't have that. I can already tell. It's going to be real good. All right, we're just going to let that barbecue sauce set up for a couple of minutes. They smell great. They look funky, but that's all right. I'm not in this for style points at all. Appearances are nothing. Appearances aren't anything. Or as some would say, looks ain't nothing. Right, get these sausages off. Oh, goodness. There you go. Oh, can you see that? There you go. Wow. Let's get them inside. does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? We're gonna find out. Got a little bit of everything on here. Got the sausage, got some bacon, got the jalapeno, a little bit of the hogwash is on here, the brown sugar also. I don't know if it's appropriate in this case or not, but I've said this before, I'm gonna say it again. Denny's, eat your heart out.